to turn acquaintances into friends, how to make friends abroad, right? We have been meeting people through activities that we have joined, as we said in the previous video. And now you feel like, okay, I feel comfortable now. I like that, I have some friends called friends, and at least people that I know. And that is a good feeling. And I agree with you, is a fantastic first step, right? To grow your social circle, as we said before. The big mistake I see many international people do is feeling that I don't need that much of a friend, only acquaintances. And because my life here is just temporary, I don't plan to live here for that long. We are posted here because our jobs. So I don't plan to keep these connections forever. And here's the big mistake, because through my experience, the best friend I have, the most connected I feel like, now I sense is like my family, are friends that I've made living abroad, are friends that we didn't grow up together. Those are the friends that we have experienced all this roller coaster of emotions while living abroad. And hence, we have another connection. And this is what I want for you. That's why I'm going to help you with 3 practical tips. Today is very practical. How to turn those acquaintances into friends. Ready? Good. Okay, the first tip, it's quite simple. All of them are very simple, yet powerful. Through those activities that you have joined, pick up someone and invite that person over to your place for a coffee or tea, and just relax, be yourself. You don't need to go into a very deep conversation, just to chat, just to know each other, exchange experiences like, growing abroad, being abroad, or how was your life where you grew up, whatever you want, but keep it like chill, relax. The second tip is plan a group activity. Maybe you can go to a local museum, which is very well known. Like, for instance, when I was in Amsterdam, we used to go to the Reich Museum so often with different friends. Or you can plan going on a trip somewhere in the mountains. Maybe you live, I don't know, in Switzerland. There are fantastic mountains there. Go for a ski day. Or maybe something related to the city specific. They celebrate a cultural event very important or very well known, and you don't want to miss it, right? So organize a group activity with your new acquaintances. And the third tip, it's fun, it's really fun, it's what I do and I love the most, is organize mini clubs. And it could be around some activity that you do love. For instance, you love reading, create a book club. Do you love cooking? Yes. Excellent. Then you can organize cooking night. And every week is at different places from your friends. Or do you like cinema like me? Yes. Then go to a movie night or movie event, film club. You go to the cinema, you watch the movie, and then you talk about it over. This is what I do at Internations. Internations is a group that is an organization that connects international people through activities in different cities around the globe. So I'm not sure, but probably there is an Internation group in the city that you live. So I will leave the Internations link in the section below. They are not sponsoring this video. It's just, I really like the way they make the activities to people interact with each other. So I even organize some events here in Yokohama. So you're around Yokohama or you live around, let me know and we can connect through Internation. Remember, we always finish the videos with some reflection about the topic of the week. So let me ask you these 2 questions and see how you feel. The first one is, how did it feel to reach out to these people? Did you invite someone over? Did you organize a group activity? What did you do? Let me know in the comment section below. The other question is, what challenges came up when you reach out to people? Well, if any challenges came up. Okay? You can just reflect on it on your own, or yes, please share it in the comment section below. I would love to know how your experience, how you're building up your life abroad. In my next video, that is coming next week when ready, I will talk about a crucial aspect of living abroad, and that is how to embrace and understand cultural differences. Key topic. I'll see you then. Bye.